Welcome to another episode of The Love Hub, where we give advice and tips to women about love and relationships. This episode is about 8 things that will turn a guy on. A quick shout out to Carol Williams and Brandy Apples. For topic requests and shout out requests, please like, subscribe, and comment down below. Sign 1. He blushes around you way more than he should. One of the things that will turn the guy on and when he blushes around you more than he should. His cheeks turn red even if you are just sitting beside him. Grown men rarely ever blush. If you see him turning into a tomato every time that you bend over, it's clear that he's turned on by what he's seeing. Because if a guy isn't attracted to you, he doesn't care about you. Your existence doesn't matter to him. Sign 2. You regularly catch him staring at you. If you regularly catch him staring at you for no apparent reason, maybe he's turned on and he's really attracted by you. They say that the eyes never lies. If you feel someone is staring at you, and when you look around, you see him catching eye towards your place, then he's into you. It is one of the most sincere way to tell if a guy really likes you. He is serious with his feelings, with the way just by staring at you. Sign 3. He wants to impress you. If he makes a point of talking about how many women he's had sex with or the crazy places that he's had sex at, then he has a feeling for you. Believe it or not, this is actually a thing guys do when they're trying to press women, and often use your reaction to gauge if they would have a chance. This is actually called fishing. And when you see this happening with other signs, you turn him on that are on his list. It's almost certain that he wants. Sign 4. He's hinted that he has a type and that you fit that type. A lot of guys have crushes on girls, particularly crushes of a sexual nature. Will not feel comfortable openly admitting that they want you. So they may have danced around the subject by talking about that they have a type that you just happen to fit into. If he's hinted that he has a type and that you fit into his type, he is attracted to you and he doesn't want to tell it to you directly. Sign 5. When he makes eye contact with you, his pupils dilate. When he makes eye contact with you and his pupils dilate, you can tell that a guy is turned on and he has feelings for you. One surprising thing that body language experts notice is that pupils dilate when they are looking at people that they're actually interested in. If his pupils are a lot larger than they should be, it's a sign he's turned on by you. Sign 6. He talks about you a lot. A guy that isn't attracted to you wouldn't care about you at all. But when he talks about you a lot, especially with his friends, then it's a clear sign that he's into you. We tend to talk about the people who are on our minds a lot. We don't typically think about people we hate on a constant basis, which means that him talking to you is likely a good sign that he's crushing on you. In the case of him poking fun at you or complaining about you, it could even be a case of overcompensating on how much he actually likes you. He will do anything to get your attention. Sign 7. He does insane stunts around you. Men have a tendency of doing stupid things in hopes of impressing women, just because he wants you to notice him. He will do some things that he thought he's never gonna do. This is particularly true when they get aroused. If he's doing a crazy stunt, he's probably really turned on by you, but you just won't admit it for one reason or another. If he does insane stunts around you to just keep you pleased, then he wants you, clearly. Sign 8. Yammering, stuttering, and stammering are the norm with him. One of the signs that a man is into you when he's yammering, constantly stuttering, and stammering feels like normal to him. Some guys will have their whole vocabulary shut down when they see a girl they're sexually aroused by. If he's constantly stammering around you, it could be due to all the blood in his brain rushing down below the belt. Thank you. Please watch for our next episode. For topic requests and shout-out requests, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below.